Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, welcome to my online class. At first, introduce myself. I am M. Saidur Rahman, assistant teacher of Shahidjia Rahman High School. Dear student, George Bernard Shaw was born in Dublin in 1856. His father's family had been small landowners in Ireland since the late 17th century. He was awarded Nobel Prize for Literature in November 1950. So, what have you observed, dear student? Yes, capitalization. Dear students, so our today's lesson is capitalization. Learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, we will be able to identify the definition of capitalization, use capitalization. What is capitalization? Follow the example. Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. We live in Dhaka. It's an old city. Emperor Jahangir established this city. Dear student, here the first word of the sentence, Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. Here Dhaka, the word, and the first letter of the word Dhaka is small letter. But is it possible? Dear student, we have some words here. We circle these words. Follow Dhaka, Bangladesh, we, next Dhaka, it, Emperor Jahangir. Here these words are presented here in small letter, but it is not be possible for making an English sentence. So what will be the form of the word Dhaka? The first letter what will be? Follow the example. Dear student, here capitalization means the method of using capital letters. If we use small letter the first of a sentence, it will not be appropriate sentence or appropriate word. So, dear student, here the first word Dhaka, the first letter of D will be capital letter. Bangladesh, the first letter V will be capital. We, the first letter W will be capital letter. Next Dhaka, the first letter of D will be capital letter, and it, the first letter I will be must capital letter. Emperor and Jahangir also be the capital letter of these two words. Dear student, the fish curry looks appetizing. Here the first word, the, must be capital letter. The first letter of the word the T will be capital letter. Follow the example. The fish curry looks appetizing. Here the must be capital letter. So the first letter of the sentence should be capital. I hope all the students of our school understood this situation. Dear student, the music in my heart I bore long after it was heard no more. This is the part of a poem. Here follow the first letter of the word "the" has presented capital letter, and the next line long, the first letter of long L has already used as capital letter. So, dear student, the first letter of each sentence should be capital in all the English poems. Dear student, follow the video. She is Julie and she likes American burgers. The first letter of proper nouns, Julie, they has used here capital letter. So the first letter of proper nouns and proper adjective must be capital. Here, Julie is proper noun and the first letter they has used capital letter. And American also proper nouns, and here this is the name of a country, so the first letter must be capital letter. So here A is used as a capital letter. Dear student, here some month of a year is presented on this slide. Follow. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. These are the months of a year, English year. And Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, the names of the day of a week. So the first letter of the month and day must be capital letter. Our annual exam will be held on December. The first letter of a term will be capital. Here, annual, the first letter of a term, annual, here A is used as capital letter. And the exam, annual exam, the first letter of these both words has used as capital letter. Dear student, the Battle of Polashi, the first letter of any historical event will be capital letter. Please don't tell me a fat man. I am not fat. Here, dear student, I is used before the after the fat man. So here, when we used I as a pronoun, then we have to use capital letter. Pronoun I used as subject must be capital letter. Oh Allah, forgive me. Dear student, here he prayed to God and he granted his prayer. First letter of interjection and God oblique Allah as naming words and their pronouns will be capital letter. He is a BA. My dear mother, her. He said there is no alternative of mother in the earth. Abbreviation letters, addressing letters, and first letter of quotation must be capital. The student follow the example. He is a BA, my dear mother, comma, star. He said there is no alternative of mother in the earth. So abbreviation letters and addressing letters and first letter of quotation must be capital. the Quran, the daily store, the Batali Hill, the Podda River. Capital letter is used in the first letter of any treatise, newspaper, hill, mountain, river, sea, etc. The first letter of this thing must be used as capital letter. Cambrian School and College. Here, this is a sentence, and this is the name of a school. The first letter of a institution, all the words of a institution must be capital letter. Here, Cambrian, the C is capital, school, H is capital, and college C is also capital letter. Australia-China Business Council. Here, Australia-China Business Council. This is here all the words and the first letter of these words has already used as capital letter. So, my dear student, first letter of any institution should be a capital letter. Dear student, first letter of any subject read in schools and colleges should be capital. Here, Bengali literature, English for today for class 9 and 10, mathematical methods, all the subject names and the first letter of this subject must have used as capital letter. Dear student, the Titanic, capital letter is used at the first letter of the word of a great ship. If we used, for example, as a great ship, the first letter must be capital letter. Bangladesh Railway. Dear student, capital letter is also used at the first letter of the word of any an express. BR, Bangladesh Railway. Here Bangladesh, the letter B is used as capital letter, and railway, the letter R is used as capital letter. Capital letter is used as the first letter of the word of nations. As for example, Amitabh Bachchan is an Indian. Here, Amitabh Bachchan is an Indian actor. So we have used here I is capital letter. Dear student, capital letter is used at the first letter of the word of religions. Here, the Muslims, the Christians, the Hindus, all the first letter of these words must be used as capital letter. Normally, small letter is used at the first letter of the word north, east, south, west, but capital letter is used when they mean region. The sun rises in the east. He passed his whole life in the east. Here, east is the first letter E is used as capital letter. May Allah bless you, dear student. Always keep your health clean and neat and clean, and you will be. May Allah bless you. Thank you.